Cleavages in frog egg. Frogs lay eggs in the water. The frog eggs are non-cleidoic, that means they do not have any egg shell. Cleavage starts approximately 2 hours after eggs are laid. Cleavage is a series of mitotic cell division where karyokinesis is followed by cytokinesis. The diploidy is retained. The cleavage in frog embryo is holoblastic, that means entire egg undergoes cleavage. However, due to unequal distribution of yolk, the cell division is also unequal. That's why the cleavage is also called as unequal cleavage. This is how a frog zygote or an egg looks like. At present, it is only a single cell. I want you to concentrate on a black dot near the animal pole. Now, what is animal pole and what is vegetal pole, we are going to see. To understand cleavage, let us orient ourselves little bit towards the animal pole. So, the black dot which was there at the top has come down a little bit. The first cleavage is meridional and single. Meridional means vertical. There is only one cleavage plane which passes through the egg. It divides egg into two hemispheres. The other thing which I have not drawn is the first cleavage plane invariably bisects through an area called as the gray crescent area. Second cleavage plane is also meridional, that is vertical and single. It is also almost perpendicular to the first cleavage line. The another thing is, before first cleavage completes its encircling around the egg, second cleavage starts. Soon after first cleavage has completed its circle, second cleavage also completes its round. The third cleavage is equatorial and single. Though it is equatorial, that is horizontal, it is little bit above the equator, means little bit towards the animal pole. Now this happens because of unequal distribution of yolk. The cells towards animal pole have less amount of yolk, therefore they cleave faster. Whereas cells in the vegetal poles have more yolk, that's why they cleave little bit slowly. And from third cleavage onwards, you will start getting unequally sized cells. This is why the cleavage in frog embryo is called as the unequal cleavage. Fourth cleavage is meridional, that is vertical, but it is double. It passes through that black dot on animal pole, but two planes of the fourth cleavage are perpendicular to each other, as you can see in this diagram. Fifth cleavage is equatorial, that is horizontal, but there are two planes. One plane is above the third and second plane is below the third. In frog embryo, up to fifth cleavage, the cleavages are synchronized. After that, the cleavages become haphazard. There is no synchronized cell division. On the left, you will see how blastula looks after so many cleavages. On the right side, you will see a section through a blastula. Now, you can see there are distinctly two-sided cells. The cells at the animal pole are smaller in size, while at the vegetal pole they are larger in size. The cells are larger at vegetal pole because they contain large quantity of yolk. Now, yolk is a non-living material. Because of that, it retards the rate of cleavage. Since yolk is present there, it is called as the vegetal pole. At the animal pole, yolk is less or almost nil. In between these two, you will see a cavity that is called as the blastocele. It is a fluid-filled cavity. Now, the blastula is ready to go to the next stage of development, that is gastrulation, or also called as morphogenetic movements. Thank you very much for going through the presentation. The suggestions are welcome.